What's the deal, YouTube family? It's your guy, Lonnie McFly, the flyest guy in the past, present, and future. And I'm here today to bring to you a new unboxing video. The drip has dropped. Stay tuned. Alright, what's the deal, family? So here today we have a few new unboxings. We got one new package from Ukes. I'm really looking forward to opening that package. We're going to open this one last. And then we got one package from PRPS and another package from Todd Snyder. So without further ado, I'm going to open these up and see what we got inside. So I was able to catch a lot of end of the summer sales with these, you know. I wanted a few more items to wear with the St. Laurent's. Before the end of the summer, I have a few events that I'm going to and some things that I want to do. And so I decided to get some gear. Here I have a pair of PRPS jeans. Can't really see them. My wife actually picked these out for me. I had another order and that I was going to previously get, and unfortunately the order got canceled. It was like the last one. I'm always, you know, trying to get the last one available. You know, that's where you find the real deals at. And my wife picked these out for me, so we're gonna open these up. We're gonna check them out too. Let's see what kind of taste my wife has. But yeah, I was kind of disappointed. You know, usually, you know, when these companies say they have an item in stock, you know, they have it, but you know, it just so happened to work out where this particular time they ran out. This happened to me in the past, you know, and sometimes I'll be thinking maybe having these things because it happened to me in the past where I ordered a Versace jeans jacket, and okay, so we got some distressed jeans here. I'll continue my Versace jeans story in a second. We got some distressed jeans here, very nice. It looks like stretched denim. You know, I'm a little bit of a bigger guy, so we'll see how it works out. And you know, trying to lose some weight, but I definitely like these. You know, good job, wifey. You know, shout out to Mrs. McFly. You know, and we're gonna keep moving with the the unboxing. So the next thing we're unboxing is a few items from Todd Snyder. Todd Snyder is not really the most, you know, popular brand. You know, it's a small brand, but I've been a fan of his and I've worn his stuff for a few years now, and a lot of drip, whole lot of drip on these clothes. But the packaging is amazing. It's a Todd Snyder. It's a New York clothing brand. Here's the box that it comes in. It almost looks like a shoe box. You know, I really appreciate the packaging that came with this one. The PRPS jeans had some pretty cool packaging as well, but this package is really nice. And this particular go around went with the Todd Snyder striped T-shirt, the front pocket. Really simple style, but you know, I'm a kind of a simple guy, and I wanted to, you know, have a really simple look when it came to the St. Laurent sneakers. And this shirt is extremely soft, really beautiful color, very, very rich and vibrant. I like it a lot. The texture feels amazing. Everything, the quality is really good, well worth it. This one I did pay retail. Usually I try not to pay retail for things, but this particular one I paid retail, paid $88 for it. I think it's money well spent. It's a little expensive for a t-shirt, but that's okay. The next item from the boy Todd Snyder is Champion overdyed t-shirt. You know, Todd Snyder, he collabs a lot with Champion. They even have like own little special logo together. And you know, I really like this. This is like a heavier material. It says Champion around the collar. Really simple. You know, I just wanted something, you know, that was just red. I don't really wear a lot of red, you know, as I said when I first purchased the St. Laurent sneakers, and so I just needed something else to go with those. So those are just the extra clothes that I purchased in order to accommodate the St. Laurent sneakers. I'm gonna set this to the side. Now, this particular item I got from Ukes. I decided to try out a brand that I've never tried before. I wanted a little bit more information about it. The only way to get information about it is to actually buy it and try it on and tell you guys how it is and give you my honest opinion about it. And this particular brand, I didn't really know a whole lot about it. I did the research afterwards, but I found out that this particular brand is actually a vegan shoe product. They literally have luxury vegan shoe products. I had no idea about this. This is really cool. I'm really excited to open this up, all right? So here we go. 1, 2, 3. I know, I'm a little bit dramatic today, but this is a really exciting day for me. I'm really happy. And, like I said, I don't really, buy this stuff. I'm buying it a lot more because I'm doing these reviews for you guys, and but I really don't buy myself a lot of things. And like I said, always treat yourself, work hard, work really hard, treat yourself. You know what I mean, and play hard. But this particular one, again, from Ukes, I love Ukes, is a Stella McCartney. And Stella McCartney is actually the daughter of Paul McCartney, the famous Beatle. And I didn't know his daughter was even in the fashion industry, but I think it's pretty cool, and especially since her products are vegan or they don't have any animal materials. So the first thing I see when I open up the packaging is the Stella McCartney envelope that comes with it, and dust bag for the shoes. Let me see how it smells. You know me, I'm always about the smells, and it smells funny. It smells a little bit like fish. I don't understand why, but let's open up the card right quick. I didn't get a chance to do that the last time, but it just, it talks about this card. It just talks about the care of it, how to take care of it due to the fact that it's a, non-leather material, and it's made from, well, it doesn't really say what it's made from, but it's made from non-animal materials, so I'm assuming plant materials, textile fibers, things like that. Here we are. I'm gonna open it up. Again, this was something I got caught up in the end of the summer sale, and oh my goodness, I cannot tell that these are not butter soft leather and suede. This is freaking tripping me out. I did not expect to have a shoe that's made of non-animal products that features like a faux suede, I guess, and a faux leather to feel this good. Like this is like literally no difference between any other high fashion shoe that I've ever purchased. Now, the colorway, the color is pink. I got a really good deal on this shoe. I don't remember the exact price. It was the low 100s, and this shoe retails for about $400. But I literally got this shoe just because, I never buy pink shoes. It's rare that I'll buy a pink shoe ever. But I basically wanted to review this product, and that was the only shoe that they had in my size. And this is from last season. The Stella McCartney website no longer carries this particular shoe, but you can find other colorways of this shoe on the Ukes website. But wow, I am really impressed. I am really stunned by the quality of this shoe. Here's the second one. Let me take this one out as well. And it's a low top sneaker, typical, kind of European design with the gum sole. It has a little white piece in the bottom. It has like a kind of like an ashy gum sole, which is kind of cool. It looks like a little dusty, a little bit, kind of like how you get like a new pair of Timbs or something like that. How that rubberized sole is. But so this is the packaging. This is the unboxing. I look forward to doing more reviews of these shoes and clothing with you later on. But that's going to end our unboxing video. I look forward to giving you guys a detailed review. Please comment, like, and subscribe below, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.